everyone, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. My name is Brooke for those of you who don't know me, and if you do, thank you for joining me. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be an apartment tour, and I am so excited because I've actually been wanting to film this video ever since I moved into this apartment a little bit over a year ago, so I am very happy to be sharing it with you today. This apartment is a studio apartment, so it is pretty small, but it is absolutely everything I need for just me, and I have had so much fun over the past year making it my own and bringing in plants and everything I love to really create a space that I love coming home to. It is so exciting to me that I can finally share this video with you guys and show you how I've decorated and possibly even give you inspiration for other small spaces. And to be honest, there's also a part of me that knows deep down that I'm making this video for me as well, so that I can reminisce on it in the future, because this apartment has really been such a great place for me to have my first solo apartment on my own. I have so many good memories here, and I've truly grown as a person in the past year so much, as cheesy as that sounds, and I feel like this place has really allowed me to do that fully. So I am so grateful for this apartment. I can't wait to share it with you. So without further ado, I am going to stop rambling and show you guys what you came here for. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you in a minute. So when you first walk into my apartment, you see my kitchen. I'm very lucky to have quite a bit of cupboard space here, as you can see, and of course a couple of golden pothos up top. You're going to see a lot more plants throughout this video, so be prepared. And as we move on, we get over to the sink area, where I do have quite a bit more decor and plants, as you can see. I'm going to put the names of the plants on the screen because I know I will absolutely butcher the names if I try to pronounce them. One of my favorite items on this shelf is my English ivy plant in a mug that I actually decorated as a teenager, with a quote that says, "Well-behaved women seldom make history," which is still one of my favorite quotes today. Moving right along, I have a little bit more decor on top of my fridge. These are just a couple of nerve plants and a crystal ball that I found at Winners, because who doesn't need a crystal ball in their kitchen? Over here, I have this cute little bench that I found at Winners. You're going to hear me say that a lot in this video, so just a warning. This canvas is actually from Winners as well. It says "Choose Happy," which I absolutely love to look at every single day when I come out into the kitchen. Over here, I have some more plants and some crystals and some more decor. These shelves are from Winners as well, and the lights are actually from Amazon, so I will link those in the description. To the left of my kitchen, we have my bedroom. This bed is from Wayfair. It's part of the Cosmo Living collection. And it actually has drawers that pull out underneath for extra storage, which is very convenient. I definitely make really good use of those. Moving right along, I have some more plants on the wall. Surprise, surprise. Again, I will put the names up on the screen if you are interested in seeing what kind of plants these are. I also have some plants around my curtains, but those are not real. Those are from Amazon, so I will link those in the description as well. This full-length mirror I got from Winners, and then we have my TV with some more plants on either side. The pots I got from Amazon, which I will link below, and the plants inside are called Big Leaf Periwinkle. I absolutely love how the vines just kind of cascade down either side. Over here, I have my jewelry armoire that my grandma gave me, and I painted it gray to match the rest of my apartment. And on top, I just have a candle, another plant again, and my diffuser from Sage. Also on this wall, I have my wardrobe. I use the top to display some decorative storage boxes, my salt lamp, and of course another plant. This wardrobe is where I store all of my clothes that need to be hung up, and also some other items like my yoga mat, because there are actually no closets in this apartment. Moving right along, we find ourselves back in the kitchen, and we are about to go into the last and final room in this apartment, which is the bathroom. In the bathroom, I created this fun accent wall with some greenery from Amazon, which I will link in the description box below. And I also have this light up LED mirror, which I found at Winners. Over here, I have my shower, and beside my shower, I have some shelves, which are very convenient for these bins that I got from the dollar store to store my makeup and hair products. And I also have a little plant on here, of course, again, with some more crystals to add some more life into the bathroom. And the bottom one is just some toilet paper because you gotta have that. There's also a really nice window in this room, so I just have a little Buddha statue that my friend Tracy gave me, and some more plants, of course. And did you really think I was going to end this apartment tour with anything else than 3 more plants hanging on the wall? I found these wall-mounted pots on Amazon, and they will be linked below. Woo! We made it through the entire apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'm going to make a separate video on organization and dive a little bit deeper into my cupboards and my drawers and my closets so that you guys can see how I organize my belongings in a smaller space. So if you're interested in that, please keep a lookout. But until then, I will see you guys later.